We've got the clean-shaven Milos tonight. Maybe he's going to just stay with the passing game. Now both teams are on the scoreboard. Cedevita hands off to Teodosic, who pulls, makes the three. Just stays alive and drops in as Edo Muric gets his first points of the game. And then Teodosic just silences the crowd instantly. Aegean, offensive rebound though. Farrell, another chance for Cedevita. Farrell makes the three, back-to-back triples for him. Slips the ball through underneath to Omic, and he goes to 6 points. They've been trailed by 8. Cedevita get within 2 for all of 10 seconds as Teodosic goes to double figures. Alexander dumps down low. Samson one-on-one with Muric. Alexander for 3. Oh, Tyshawn Alexander. Doesn't play a lot, but he's a spectacular offensive weapon. As is Jacob Pullen. August comes away. Here comes Blazic. Big opportunity for the Greens. Pullen for 3, and he nails it. End of the first period. It's a 1-point lead for Bologna. Rousier finds Bellinelli. Well, when you got weapons like Bellinelli, just about avoids the travel. Bellinelli, Tessitore, rash 3-point shot for him, but it's nothing but net. Amadeo Tessitore in the hands of Yogi Ferrell. Finds Muric, pulls the trigger, makes the 3. Edo Muric. Tessitore dumps down to Samson the post. Tessitore wants a second 3-point shot, and Amadeo Tessitore. Second basket of the second quarter, only 5 points so far for Cedevita, and then Alan Omic falls for the Bellinelli. And what he's saying to the referees, I didn't foul him, but you did, because you touched him. You touched the shooter. It's a foul. We said it early on when we had the foul. And Bellinelli went down in the first period and they banged bodies, so that's one way to do it. Just don't let him shoot. Alexander, nice ball movement, but they missed the shot. Good defense, good rebound by Farrell. And he pulls in transition and makes the 3-pointer. So, a bit of a scoring run here. Trailed by 13 since then. Well, Begovic finds Paola. This time, Paola's got his feet set properly and he makes the 3-point shot. Blazic joins the 3-point party. Cedevita, surely one of these teams are going to cool off at some point. Paola against Muric. Begovic, 3. He says, nope, we're both staying hot. And both teams will shoot free throws now the rest of the way. Under 2 minutes till halftime. Blazic finds Farrell, and Yogi Ferrell makes another one. Pullen now, his turn. He goes into the paint, finds Omic, finds Farrell, and he somehow, from almost behind the basket, Yogi Ferrell ties things up. Farrell hiding, comes off the screen, cuts back door. Muric, 3-ball. Oh, that's beautiful basketball. Farrell off the dribble. Omic. Alan Omic. Teodosic flips, finds Weems for 3. And the 3s just rain on down. To see which way this one will go. Blazic, wow. I'd say Bologna is the team that is choosing not to play defense. Biggest lead of the game now for Cedevita, 68-64. Teodosic makes his 4th 3-pointer of the night. The lead changes hands once more. Blazic open for 3, and he makes no mistake. His first points of the game. Bellinelli says, hold up, don't forget I'm still here. Looking for Bellinelli, ends up with Rousier. Bellinelli, 3-point shot, and this time he makes it. Defense doesn't react. Rousier, the hustle play, comes. Alexander saves it. Jete, one-on-one. Alexander tries again, and he gets the three. Jean, close to him, shot clock running down. Bellinelli, 4-3. Oh. Teodosic. Oh, no look pass. Weems, this time fouled in the act of shooting, and Kyle Weems. The beautiful pass from Teodosic. There you see Muric gets him with the legs.